Yes, yes, yes. Where are you from, sir? Where are you from?
I am from Hyderabad. I am living in Kuwait.
Mashallah, you're living in Kuwait.
Yes, sir.
What you do, sir? What are you doing in Kuwait?
Kuwait in house driver.
You are as a house driver, working as a house driver.
Yes, yes.
Mashallah, mashallah. Well, I extremely sorry that you have been trying to call me since morning, but I was busy, sir. I
No
pardon
problem.
for
No
for that.
problem. No problem. Just I calling just on night downloading this app. This one Skype.
Yeah, I see.
New app. I'm searching you always daily 3 times 4 times. I never busy and go to outside. Never to free time. Show you your YouTube.
Yes, yes. Are you enjoying my videos, sir? Are you enjoying my videos?
Yes, yes, yes. Bo, are you
Yes,
happy?
yes.
Uh,
Are you happy? Yeah, that's fantastic. Okay. Do you learn something from my video? Have you learned something? Have you learned? Do you learn something from my videos?
so many videos and seeing the your videos. Your other countries and
Mm-hmm.
Indian people. The Indian your Pakistan is the talking about the Pakistan guy
Yes,
and
yes.
other so many videos and seeing that. Yeah. So. Uh, I am just talking. That's why learning. I am learning, improving. That's why to
No problem. I am
downloading
also
the
learning.
app.
I am also learning. Though I am not a master or I am not a teacher, I am also learning. I am same like you, sir. So don't be hesitate. Come on, just be relaxed. I am as your small brother. Consider me as a your small brother.
Okay, thank you,
Okay.
thank you, thank you, thank you, sir. Thank you your opportunity.
Yes, yes, yes. Come on, tell me. Why are you learning English? What's the reason that you are learning English?
I am whenever I go to shopping mall and that my madam is going to big shopping mall, showing many people is coming the Filipino and Chinese. There is many people there is just talking. Just basic knowledge is talking. This learning us, bus.
Yes, 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 I see.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what do you mean by house driver? What's your job?
Was there sometimes going outside shopping mall and yeah relationship you are going to mother house and weekend your party
Yeah.
other party get dropping
Yes,
and coming and home.
yes, yes, I see. So only driving, no other job, only a driving.
Only driving sometimes walkable distance supermarket just sometimes vegetables bring the vegetables sometimes small is working that's it.
Yes, yes, I see. So how's the job, sir? Are you enjoying out there or is that okay? Are you enjoying
uh,
the job?
I love my job.
Mashallah, mashallah. That spirit we want. That's
mm.
the spirit we want. Shlon mama, shlon baba. Baba shlon, mama shlon.
Jen alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. That's fantastic. That's fantastic. Yes, sir. Then tell me, sir, where are you from? In Hyderabad, where you live in Hyderabad?
Hyderabad in a distance in 250 kilometer my village.
Your village.
mm.
Yes.
It's a
And
small village.
small village.
uh,
So how long have you been working as a house driver in Kuwait?
6 years.
6 years.
mm.
And what's your job in India? What have you been doing in India?
Same driver.
Same driver.
Own vehicle have been the own vehicle first of all then 2000 since 2007
Mm-hmm.
2007 to 2012.
Yes, I
mm.
see. So how did you got this opportunity? How did you get this opportunity to go to? work in Kuwait?
Opportunity in my brother in Kuwait in 2-3 years. Bring to visa and send me visa.
Yeah.
That's why coming here. Mm.
Yes. Yes. That's
Vacancies, same relationship. This Baba brother in house working and that's in not here. Living in India.
yes. I
Vacation.
see.
Mm.
Vacation. Yes, I
Going
see.
vacation.
So, so how many hour you have duty, sir? In a day, how many hour you have duty?
No, no, not our. Whenever calling from
Yeah.
going to duty. Not a hours.
Not 6 hours. Okay. Not
Not
6 hours. Whenever they call, you have to go. You have to be present all the time. It doesn't matter whether in the morning, whether in the night. Whenever they, whenever they want to go outside, they can call you, isn't it?
yes, yes, yes.
So
Exactly.
don't you think, sir, don't you think this is unfair with you? Don't you think this is unfair?
No unfair. This is only one person in here and that's in mobile and searching YouTube and using YouTube and so many movies. That's why in room I want.
So it means that you have not too much work. It means that you have not too much work.
No, 3 hours, 2 hours rounding a shopping mall, coming in back coming home or staying in room. Always
The
staying
same,
in room.
yeah. Does they are providing you a meal, food? Are you getting food from them?
I won't making and food.
Yes, you made by your own food. It's
Own
additional
food.
food.
They bring to the vegetables, other rice.
I see.
Mm.
I see. And how you learning English, sir? I have seen that you are a beginner right now. And how you are learning English? आप इंग्लिश कैसे सीख रहे हैं मुझे ये बताइए.
Yeah. My I have studying in inter completed. Reading, writing. Just
Yes,
mirror after the mirror. This small talking.
yes. That's nice. That's
No
nice.
other way. This is Arab countries. No or English. No talking. Just only or Arabic.
Okay. So you are communicating with your owner in Arabic or English? How you
Arabic.
communicate with them?
Arabic.
Arabic. Do you speak Arabic? Do you speak Arabic fluently?
Yeah, Arabic. Yes, exactly. Perfectly.
Okay. How, how you learn Arabic? How you learn Arabic?
Yeah. Every day I told. Every day I ask told whenever go. Where you go. Coming outsiding. Coming. Yes. Just what. They are talking. I'm listening. That's it.
Yes. And you replying, whether you
Yeah.
have
Yeah.
idea or not. The same thing happen in English, sir. The same thing happen in English. You know, I understand that people have that not that much. People don't have that much knowledge. But if you try to speak every day, if you try to speak every day in English, you will definitely learn. You will
Okay.
definitely learn. Not, it will take time, but you will learn definitely. It's not a big deal, sir. So my suggestion to you that keep talking with someone every day. Practice every day. Find someone, talk with them daily basis, at least half an hour. So
Okay.
it's not big deal to learn English, sir. It's very easy. Like Arabic.
Yeah. I exactly correct. That is not other person talking with me not talking. There's only one person. They're seeing the mirror. They're talking the writing. And daily morning wake up 8 o'clock wake up washing vehicle 3 vehicle washing completed and take your bath coming to fresh up breakfast completed sitting there sitting that movie that time going not going outside staying in the room Sometimes writing, sometimes reading, sometimes seeing your YouTube movies, sometimes English movies, sometimes English songs. So many kinds of yeah, English topic.
Yeah,
Yeah, stories, the children stories. Yeah, most
yeah,
important stories which are important.
yeah.
Yeah,
Well, I
yeah.
prefer what I yeah what I prefer. I prefer to watch English cartoon.
English
English
card not
cartoon.
understood. English card not understood. There is a not understood. There is Indian. This one children. This program is Indian.
Yeah, tell
That's
me.
that exactly understood. That English. A
Uh,
cartoon not understood. The beginner.
no, sir. Even beginner, that cartoon anybody can understand. It's Indian made.
Some words understood. Some words not understood.
Yes, yes.
That's a not a matter. That's it.
Okay. Can you read Hindi? Can you read Hindi?
Yeah, it's a read in the read.
Yeah. Okay. I have a two book. I have a two PDF book. I'll send you. I have a
Okay,
two PDF book which is really helpful for beginner, especially for a beginner. Okay.
okay,
Don't
okay,
you worry.
okay. Thank you,
Free of cost. I have a two PDF book. So inshallah, you will get benefit from them.
thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And whenever you feel bored or whenever you want to practice with me, you can call me.
Okay, sir. Thank you for your opportunity. Thank you for your given the opportunity. Thank you for your compliment.
Yes, yes. It's my privilege, sir. I want I want everybody to speak English.